Trains were cancelled, some schools were shut, and drivers were stuck for hours on a major highway as a blast of snow and wind hit the UK on Friday for the second time in a week.
The weather system named Storm Larisa by meteorologists brought gales and blizzards to much of the country.
Alex Berkel, a meteorologist with the Met Office Weather Agency, said the worst hit our area was northern England and North Wales, where 80 kilometers per hour wind gusts were accompanied by up to 30 centimeters of snow.
Some drivers spent more than 7 hours in their cars after traffic ground to a halt on the M62 highway cut across northern England. Many roads on high ground in central England's Peak District were blocked, and the train line linking the cities of Manchester and Sheffield was closed by fallen trees.
Now, air travel was also disrupted, with most flights departing Liverpool John Lennon Airport delayed on Friday morning. Now, East Midlands Airport in central England was closed for about 3 hours, while flights were briefly suspended at Birmingham Airport.
Now, regarding this storms and blizzards, I check on what will the weather be like over the weekend. So the wintry condition will be easing over most of the UK this weekend, though a quick return to colder condition is a likely reality for many. Now, over the coming days, the Met Office's chief forecaster anticipate changes to the pattern of national severe weather warnings. Now, Jason Kelly, chief forecaster, stated that the worst of the snowfall in England is over for now, but further weather warnings will be enforced to cover the further hazards brought by frost and ice.